GitHub Workflow. Team Collaboration. 1. Feature Branch Workflow. Each feature has its own branch. Example. Main right pointing arrow stable code. Feature login right pointing arrow new feature. Bug fix UI right pointing arrow fix issue. Y. Keeps main branch safe. 2. Creating a pull request. PR. PR equals request to merge your code. Steps. Pushed branch. Open PR. Add description. Ask for review. Y. Code review before merge. 3. Code review. Team checks. Bugs. Style. Logic. Y. Better code quality. 4. Merge strategies. Explain simply. Merge commit. Squash merge. Rebase merge. Y. Controls commit history. 5. Handling conflicts. When two people edit same line. How? Git shows conflict. You fix manually. Continue merge. 6. Using issues plus projects. Issues equals tasks, bugs. Projects equals task board. Kanban. Y. Project management inside GitHub. 7. Releases and versions. Tag version. Create release. Add changelog. Y. Track app versions. In simple words, Git equals save history. GitHub equals teamwork. Workflow equals rules for working together.